Hey guys, welcome back to this another video. So for today, pag-uusapan naman natin what are the transactions or services na po pwede natin gawin through GCash. So these services are divided into two. First, lifestyle services and financial services. So what are under these two buckets? So under lifestyle services, very common na ginagawa natin through GCash by load. That's actually the reason why it's very important. Say, for example, if may tindahan ka, you have to have like GCash. You can actually use this in loading your customers, sending money from one GCash to another, paying bills, just like your Meralco bills. You can also use GCash. Shopping online, yeah, just like Lazada, Shopee, you can definitely use your GCash account when you are buying online. Pay QR, just like shopping and dining as well using GCash. And then the last one, of course, again, under lifestyle services, we also have send with a clip, sending money and attached photos, videos, voice recordings, and themes for that personalized touch. That's another thing. Ang Pao. I think we're actually very much familiar about Ang Pao. KKB request money as well. Book movies and game credits. I know some of this hindi na tayo masyadong familiar, but we will go over some of these transactions or services, okay? But just wanted to let you know these are some of the things that you can still or you can actually do using the services of GCash. So all of these things they fall under lifestyle services and of course under financial services. Very common as well, bank transfer. Say, for example, you want to transfer maybe from your bank account to another. You can also use GCash, or you can simply say, from GCash to your bank account to your GCash. GCash Padala is also another thing. G Credit, G Loan, Invest Money, and Save Money. These fall under financial services. So it basically tells us here you can also save money just like, an ordinary bank account. You can also loan actually give you pre-approved access to up to 25,000. Invest money as well using GCash. So we will try to go over some of these things. So first, GCash to GCash. Here is a simple step on how you can transfer money from your GCash account to another GCash account. So first, you have to log in, enter your MPIN or PIN code or passcode. And then from here, it will actually give you options to cash in, send money, GSave, buy load, bank transfer, G-insure. You just have to select what specific transaction are you going to do. So say, for example, we're going to send money because that's our main transaction for at this moment send money to another Gcash account. You just have to click on send money, and then from here it will ask you to key in or enter the information, of course, of the person you're going to transfer the money to. You have options here, enter name or mobile number, but most of the time what I used, it's actually the phone number. Just want to make sure that we have that correct information of the person we are sending the money to, right? So you'll just go ahead and enter the information of that person that you are going to transfer the money to. um, Let me just enter and try to hide that one. And then, of course, amount, specific amount that you're going to transfer to that person. So there, it will actually give you the receipt. This will serve as your receipt most of the time. Well, this is actually the receipt that we are sending to the person, say, for example, when we are doing such transaction, because it has the reference number and some other information, just like the date and the time when you sent this money to that person. So that's the first one. Another thing is adding bank account. Okay, so this is the process on how you can add bank account to your Gcash account, so that when you want to transfer money to your bank account, it's actually way easier for you to do that. So you have to register first your bank account to your Gcash account, and in order for you to do that, again, it would route us to this same message or same screen or page. You just have to click on bank transfer. All right. Just like technically, it's kind of like it treats this process as bank to bank transfer. Let's go ahead and click bank transfer here. So we have options selected partner banks, BPI, BTO, or BDO, Metro Bank, Land Bank, and so on and so forth. You can also like click the view all if you want to look at the other list of partner banks. But for this time, gagawin natin or select natin BPI. We'll go ahead and register our BPI account. Our BPI account. So you just go ahead and click on BPI, and then of course, it will also provide you again the list of bank accounts here. So just click on BPI as well. It's the same thing. So there, click on BPI, and then just have to wait for it to load. And there you go. Once you click the BPI, it would ask you to enter the information or your BPI account information. So it's the same process when we are, registering our bank account to our another bank account. You just have to, give it a name. So say, for example, let's just use this name, Maki2, and then under the account name, this is your name registered to your bank account. Sorry, it's actually, yeah, let's go ahead and change that and then put the name, the owner of that bank account, and the account number. Okay, so it's not the card number, but it's the account number. It's, they're actually different. So account number, and then of course, send receipt to. So this is also very important, especially if you're making a payment. You can put your email address so that the receipt of this transaction will be sent over to your email address, and then create scheduled transfers if you want to have like a scheduled transfer. If not, just have to go ahead and confirm. What we did here is that we just register our bank account, and then it's the same process. The one that we did earlier, GCash to GCash, you just have to go ahead and click on send money. But yeah, it would provide you the list of, bank accounts that you have saved. So there you have it. And then if you want to also like register or add some other of your bank accounts, you can definitely do that. You have options. So if you have different BPI accounts, I would suggest you also have to select BPI 1 or BPI 2. This time by loan. This would be the third and the last transaction that I'll be showing you for now. In my next videos, we'll try to cover some other instructions. So you just have to go ahead and click buy loan. And then here, buy load 4, you just have to enter the phone number of the person that you are buying load for. Okay, and then it will also ask you, the specific promos that you actually wanted to avail. We have the regular, all-in, surf. So if you are loading for a customer, they already have that specific promos that they would want you to load. But for this one, let's select broadband, and then assuming that we're trying to load our PLDT home broadband. So that's from load video 999. So it would also provide you the details about this specific promo. You may want to read it over to your customer just in case. Yeah, to make sure that yung promo na isi-select mo is actually what the customer is what the customer wants. Okay, so just go ahead and click that one, and then it will provide you the details. This is your balance. This is the amount that you need to pay, and then you just have to go ahead and pay this amount. And then there you have it. Yeah, it's very simple, guys. That's why GCash, it's user friendly. But of course, if you have that specific transactions or services that you would want us to cover in our next video, please feel free to comment down below. And then if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, of course, for watching my video, and yeah, we'll see you again in our next video. Keep safe everyone. Thank you. Bye.